Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex Market Analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focused on the dollar index and the euro to US dollar. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just want to take you through the news releases that could affect the euro dollar, the pair I'm reviewing this week. Now let's get into the red items. And moving into Wednesday, 1 AM in the morning for the US, we've got the CB Consumer Confidence. Moving into Wednesday evening for the US at 11:15 PM, we've got the US ADP non-farm employment change. Then at 11:30 for the US, we've got prelim GDP. And then moving into Thursday in the morning, 1 AM for the US, we've got the JOLTS job openings. All these times are Queensland time. Into the early morning, 4:30 AM for the US, we've got Fed Chair Powell speaking. Moving into the evening of Thursday, 11:30 PM for the US, we've got Core PCE Price Index, month on month, unemployment claims. Again, 1 o'clock in the morning on Friday for the US, ISM Manufacturing PMI data. A minor item here, but 12:40 PM Friday, we've got ECB President Lagarde speaking. And then the bigger event for the day on Friday at 11:30 PM, we got the non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, and average hourly earnings for the US. So those are the items that could affect the euro US dollar this week. So let's have a look at the charts and give that a review. Alright traders, first up let's just review the dollar index. And I'll just zoom this out. Structurally we're still in an uptrend, but we're having a heavy corrective sell-off this month. We're moving back below a couple of monthly resistance levels, 111.31, 109.24, and trend on the monthly chart is up, but we're having, yes, a very negative month. To the weekly, we're actually in a downtrend on the weekly. We've broken below a support low here at 107.67. Now, I'm potentially expecting the dollar index to move up back above that level, so watch 107.67 for price to move back up on the dollar index, and that will give us a reversal back down on pairs to the US dollar. For example, I'm reviewing the euro US dollar today, so I'm expecting that to go down. Just drop down to the day to have a quick look. Potentially here on the dollar index we're forming a double bottom. MACD is starting to want to cross up, and we're actually seeing the inverse relationship on the euro dollar. So potential double bottom forming here on the dollar index that could get translated into a double top on the euro dollar. So let's get into the euro dollar and have a closer look. Alright traders, so the euro dollar monthly chart, this is just the opposite look of the dollar index. We've been moving up this month, had a nice corrective month, but the overall trend is still down. We've got a lower top, lower bottom, and actually we're moving back up to what is monthly resistance at 103.40. We've been above that level. We actually just closed below that level yesterday. Alright, so are we false breaking above 103.40 this month? Are we going to hold below that level by the end of the month, and are we going to go down next month? That's my thought process. Monthly support 101.18, that's a level from back in time that I'll show you. There's an old support area here that we've broken below and we're back above, so I'm using that level as a level of support. Alright, so just to review, monthly trend is down, but we're having a corrective month up this month, starting to maybe hold just below monthly resistance here at 103.40. Alright, let's drop down to the weekly chart. Alright traders, on the weekly chart we're in an uptrend. We've moved above actually a top here and a top here. Now I'm using this top here at 103.68 as my weekly resistance, and weekly supports at 101.98, and also down here at 95.36. So what I'm seeing here on the weekly chart is, although we're in an uptrend over the last 2 weeks, if we include this week it's 3 weeks, we're getting a rejection candle here, and we could be forming one here. So are we rejecting at this weekly resistance level at 103.68? Yes, we're below that level at the moment. Are we topping out here for a movement back down? So what I'm looking for is, yes, a reversal, and my first target would be down at the first level of weekly support, 101.98. And if we are getting a major reversal, my longer term target would be down here at 95.36. My thought process is, are we topping out here? Are we putting in a lower top potentially on the monthly chart for a longer term move down to challenge the low that we formed down here? Alright, let's drop down to the day chart and have a closer look. Alright, traders, on the day chart, just put in my support and resistance. Day support at 102.22, daily resistance at 104.79. Now yesterday we heavily rejected the 104.79 resistance level and closed below the 103.40 monthly resistance level. So we've got a big rejection candle, MACD's crossing down, and we're potentially forming here a double top to start the reversal. So if we break yesterday's low, that will start to confirm the reversal, and this minor double top could be starting to confirm a longer term reversal. So I'm going to be dropping down to a lower time frame. Once we break the low of yesterday, I'm going to drop down to a lower time frame to look for an entry, and my first target would be down at weekly support 101.98, and if we can break that weekly level of support, and then I'm going to be trying to hold my trade down to this level of weekly support down here at 95.36. As I said before, we could be forming a lower top here on the monthly chart, so trying to hold a trade for the long term would be ideal, especially when a double top could be forming here. We've got a reversal rejection candle. It was a heavy reversal yesterday, and MACD is just starting to cross down. So this could be the final top of this corrective phase, moving back up on the monthly chart. Are we forming a lower top there in the monthly chart over time for a longer term move down to come down and test this weekly support level that we formed at 95.36? Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. I look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week, 29th of November, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 30th of November, what is the figure in Forex trading and how to trade around it? During this webinar, we will look at the importance of trading around the big figures and applying the figure indicator to your analysis. Duncan Cooper will combine trend lines with the figure and show you a simple trading strategy. 17th of November, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. Follow the link below for a full schedule and join for free.